Your trip to Ginza wouldn't be complete if you don't visit Rare Tendon. Hey cravers, we are in Tokyo today and search for the best tendon. I think isa to sa pinaka-life-changing na nakain namin dito sa Ginza, and it's called Rare Tendon. Imagine thinly sliced Wagyu beef, ni-roll, ginawang tempura, and fried to perfection. I think this is such a masterpiece, ang perfect ng pagkagawa nila sa each order. The restaurant is small, so expect to line up a bit. They have an open kitchen, so makikita nyo kung paano gagawin yung tendon nyo. There, I swear, worth it siya pilahan kasi I think you can only find this here and it's so delicious. The beef is so tender and perfect siya with a crunchy exterior. The sauce is also so flavorful, so kahit wala ka ng dip, it's already delicious on its own. And bukod sa beef, meron ding mushrooms and other vegetables na sobrang sarap din. The cost is 3,500 yen for this dish. Meron din naman silang other dishes. Pero make sure to order a bowl for yourself kasi